Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can tell, I've got my Losi 5ive-T in front of me with a 30-degree north body. But let's not talk about the body because I am going to continue to update this to make it the best shelf queen you've ever seen. So today, I'm actually going to install these LED lights because if you don't know, the Losi 5ive-T doesn't come with any LED lights, so I'm going to put them on and make it look more unique. And you are going on the adventure with me. So stay tuned, this is going to be awesome. But before the intro comes along, I want to give my shout out to this awesome jumper that I'm wearing right now. Now it is the Brew and Bros podcast. They've sent me out this hoodie. Check them out in the description. They actually talk about men's health, and as the name states, they love their coffee. So if you're into coffee and if you're into men's health and really just talking about what matters, as you can tell, like if you don't know, but like podcasts, there's a lot out there, and it's really hard to find one that really matches yourself. I've been listening to these guys for quite some time right now. Mitcho, who actually is on the podcast, he actually used to own his own, I would say, cafe in Penrith, New South Wales here, and he's a really good close friend of mine. But look, check him out. This is the merch. I don't know if you can see it, but I shall turn around. Boom! Model in the makings, but like, look, if you're in the market, they're selling these merch hoodies. They've got a couple of other stuff, but I've gone for the bright yellow to match the video about the LED lights. Check them out, put them in the description below, support them, and if you like men's health, and if you like coffee and talking about what matters, or listening to people talking about what matters, tune into them. Honestly, it's a great listen. Okay, so time to start this miniature project here. Gonna change, like I said in the intro, gonna change these into these LED lights. So let's go on changing them. First things first, take off this body. How the hell are we going to do this? So, like everything that what we do in this channel is like it's trial and error. And we're going to see what we can do. Looks like there's 3 screws here, so we're just gonna take them off and see how we go. So let's take this off. Okay, so since we've taken this off, now there's 4 screws what need to come off there. So I've got to correct myself, they're actually freaking Allen keys. Sorry, I always get a little bit antsy when it comes into talking about my good friend Alan, because he's a, you know, don't want to say it because I'll probably get demonetized, whatever it's called. Okay, so let's put these on. Now, I actually got these from Hobbies Direct in Australia here, #1 online retailer. Go check them out, and yeah, definitely a place or a safe place for you to shop. I know that online shopping these days is like a hit and miss in regards to getting ripped off and scammed. So I'd like to show you as my viewers that that are reputable RC dealers out there. So Hobbies Direct, I'll put their logo here and their link will be in the description. Boom, and she's on. Well, both of them are on. So time to put this back onto the truck and wire it all up and see how that goes. Okay, so the kit actually came with this sucker. So obviously it's a splitter. So these two go onto these bits here, like so, and then this plugs directly into your receiver, just there. So let's go off and put all this together. Okay, so my overhead camera thing, boom box, that thing up there broke. So I'm left to put it onto my forehead. So, okay, so look, I've wired pretty much everything up here, and I'm just trying to think of a way to make it all nice and neat. So I've got this, I would say, tubing, got it from the automotive store, and I'm thinking about putting the wires in there. So yeah, let's go off and do that. What do you think? Do you reckon I should just put it all in there and then feed it through to the receiver? That way. Let's go off and do that. Okay, so the moment of truth, hey? See if these suckers turn on. Okay, so she's done. I can't believe the end results in this one, and I am actually really happy about how it turned out. So, look, if you haven't done so already, like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff, because like, you're gonna love the end result. So, look, let's switch the lights on and see what it's all about, and let me know what you think in the comments below, okay? So, but don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already. It really does help me out. So let's flick this on. Boom! Look, the end results is amazing. I don't really have any gripes about this project. I think the only thing is that those fiddly little wires, making sure that it's all lined up and making sure it's the right way. I had to take everything out and take everything off because like I've plugged it in the wrong way. But that's the only thing. It only took me about 20 minutes to do. Like you can, like if you haven't done so already, have a look at my other videos. I do like to make my RC cars look very different. Now the Losi 5ive-T or the 30 Degree North does not come with any LED lights. This is my shelf queen. I'm very happy about how this shelf queen's turning out, and I'm always looking for different gadgets to put on there. So I thought, hey, let's go get some lights. So like I mentioned in the intro, I did go to Hobbies Direct. Their website's down below. Check them out. It's very good just to find reputable dealers these days because of all the scams. But look, that's it for today, and I really hope that you liked it. I am trying to compress all my videos together, compress my videos so that way you can get a little bit more of a variety in my channel as well. So, but yeah, look, again, this mod took 20 minutes to do and you can do it yourself. So, again, if you haven't done so already, go check out Brews and Bros. They're an awesome bunch of fellas. I'll put a link in their description, in my description below, and also to check out Mitcho's channel. Mitcho does coffee. Like I mentioned earlier, he really does like coffee, and his mixes are amazing. So look, hit him up, ask him a couple of good questions. He knows everything about coffee, but like, listen to their podcasts because they actually talk about real life events and men's health and stuff like that. And it's just, I don't know, I just can't describe it. Like, it's one of those podcasts where you actually want to keep listening, and they actually really talk about things what matter, not like the other podcasts anyway. So anyways, go check them out, like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff because it really does help me out. But I will see you big, beautiful bastards next week.